Gadgets in 2026 that are so dangerous and mind-blowing, companies might want to keep them hidden. Some tools could literally change your life, and some you'll look at them and think, wait, isn't this illegal? Today, we'll show you the gadgets that are among the world's most shocking tech secrets, and all of them are available on Amazon. Watch the video till the end, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, or you'll miss the world's most insane gadgets. Sound Blaster Rear Imagine. Turn your audio into a fully immersive experience that makes every sound come alive. Explosions, guitar riffs, and even the softest whispers gain depth, clarity, and impact, making games, music, and movies far more engaging. It works with headsets, microphones, or instruments, delivering crystal clear audio instantly, without any complicated setup. Sitting neatly on your desk, it enhances every moment the second you power it on, transforming ordinary sound into a vibrant, full-spectrum experience. Whether you're streaming, podcasting, or diving into cinematic scores, every note and effect feels sharper, richer, and more thrilling. This device doesn't just play audio, it brings it to life, adding intensity and realism that makes you feel like you're part of the action. With this, your setup goes beyond listening. It becomes a dynamic, living soundscape that pulls you in and keeps you captivated from start to finish. Wuben G5. If you've ever tried recording yourself with your phone's back camera, you know the struggle. You get the best quality, but you can't see what you're filming. This tiny yet powerful device transforms your filming experience with smooth dolly shots, 360-degree orbital movements, and AI-powered face tracking that keeps you perfectly framed no matter how much you move. Weighing just over a pound, it's incredibly portable and fits easily in your camera bag. You can control it with your phone, Apple Watch, or even simple voice commands like "Start recording" or "Track me." Ideal for solo creators, product photographers, and anyone looking to level up their content, this delivers professional-level filming without the need for bulky sliders or expensive gear. It's small, smart, and a complete game-changer for modern content creation. Pocket-size powerhouse. This rechargeable EDC flashlight is a powerhouse in your pocket. With 400 lumens of brightness, it easily lights up dark trails, rooms, or emergency situations. Its dual light sources include a strong white beam for visibility and an RGB mode for signaling, ambience, or low-light tasks, giving you ultimate versatility in any situation. Designed for portability, the flat, mini body fits comfortably in your pocket, bag, or on a magnetic keychain, making it accessible whenever you need it. The magnetic base also allows hands-free use on metal surfaces, perfect for work, camping, or repairs. Built to last, it's fully rechargeable, eco-friendly, and durable enough for everyday carry. Lightweight, practical, and functional, this flashlight is more than just a simple tool. It's a reliable companion for adventures, emergencies, and daily tasks, combining brightness, versatility, and convenience in a sleek, portable design. Code Dot. This little device packs a screen, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity, and the ability to run custom scripts straight out of the box. From automating smart home gadgets to experimenting with coding projects or exploring cybersecurity concepts safely, it opens a world of possibilities. Small size, it delivers surprisingly robust performance, offering tools that feel professional without the need for bulky equipment. Its portability lets you take your experiments anywhere, whether at home, school, or on the go. While capable of advanced technology projects, it's important to use it responsibly, always working on networks and devices you own or have permission to access. For anyone eager to learn, tinker, and grow their tech skills, this device turns ideas into action, making experimentation intuitive, engaging, and endlessly rewarding. It's a smart companion for curiosity and innovation. SSD Enclosure. Running out of storage during filming or editing can slow down any creative workflow, but this tiny device makes it effortless to expand your space. It's a portable SSD enclosure that lets you connect your drive and access additional storage instantly, no matter where you are. Perfect for creators on the move, it slips easily into a bag or even a pocket, keeping your workflow flexible and mobile. More than just extra space, it delivers blazing fast transfer speeds, so large 4K video files, high-resolution photos, and project backups move in seconds instead of minutes. It works seamlessly with multiple devices, ensuring that you can shoot, edit, and store without interruption. Built to withstand everyday use, the enclosure combines durability with convenience, protecting your drive while giving you the freedom to work anywhere. For photographers, videographers, or digital creators, it's an essential tool that keeps projects moving smoothly and stress-free. Nebula X1 Pro laser projector. This laser projector offers a cinema-quality experience for those who demand the best. Unlike traditional lamp projectors that dim over time, it maintains consistent brightness for over 20,000 hours, enough to watch a 2-hour movie every day for decades. True 4K resolution with HDR support delivers vivid colors and sharp contrast that even high-end TVs struggle to match. Its short throw ratio allows you to place it close to a wall while projecting a massive image, ideal for apartments or smaller rooms. For home theater enthusiasts, it's a long-term investment that combines flexibility, longevity, and breathtaking visuals, giving cinematic immersion without needing a dedicated theater space. While expensive, the value lies in decades of effortless, high-quality projection and the ability to enjoy a truly immersive movie experience anywhere in your home. Kamingo e-bike conversion kit. Turn any regular bicycle into an electric-powered ride for a fraction of the cost of a new e-bike. By replacing the front wheel with a motorized version and adding a battery pack, it gives riders the boost needed to tackle hills and long rides effortlessly. Installation takes about an hour for anyone comfortable with basic tools, making it accessible to most people. The motor provides reliable assistance for commuting, leisure rides, or steep inclines, helping you arrive at work without breaking a sweat or enjoy cycling without exhausting climbs. While advertised ranges can reach up to 56 miles under perfect conditions, real-world use typically delivers 19 to 30 miles depending on terrain and assistance levels. Ideal for commuters, casual riders, or anyone looking to make cycling easier and more enjoyable, this kit transforms an ordinary bike into a practical, efficient, and fun electric ride. It's a smart, affordable, and empowering solution that brings cycling back into reach. M4 Wireless Microphone. This innovative wireless microphone system takes audio recording to the next level by also capturing video directly from the transmitter. The small pack clips easily to clothing, allowing creators to record both sound and visuals simultaneously. This opens up exciting possibilities for vloggers and solo content creators who want multiple angles without needing extra cameras or complicated setups. Audio quality is crisp and reliable, with minimal interference even in crowded wireless environments, ensuring that every word is captured clearly. While the built-in video won't replace a main camera, it serves perfectly as a secondary angle, backup recording, or emergency solution during interviews and on-the-go shoots. Ideal for creators producing professional content without a full crew, it makes multitasking simpler and more efficient. Lightweight, unobtrusive, and versatile, this system adds flexibility, convenience, and peace of mind, letting you focus on storytelling while knowing both audio and visual elements are captured seamlessly. Photo tag. Losing keys, wallets, luggage, or other important items is frustrating, but this smart tracker adds a clever twist that goes beyond simple location tracking. It can store up to 50 photos directly on the device, letting you attach it to bags, equipment, or personal items and create a visual record of what's inside. Lost luggage at the airport? Show the photos to prove ownership. Lending gear to a friend? Keep a snapshot of its condition for peace of mind. Tracking works globally, using a combination of Bluetooth and community networks, ensuring that even misplaced items can be located quickly. The battery lasts about a year, and replacements are inexpensive. Unlike traditional trackers, this device provides visual verification in addition to location tracking, making it a truly practical tool for travelers, professionals, and everyday users. It's a small, clever solution that combines security, convenience, and peace of mind in one easy-to-use device. Core Plus Power Bank. This portable charger goes far beyond a standard USB battery. It offers multiple output options, pass-through charging, and a clear display showing exactly how much power remains, making it a reliable solution for staying charged on the go. Its capacity is substantial without being overly heavy, striking the perfect balance between power and portability. Thoughtful touches set it apart. An integrated cable ensures you never lose essential accessories, and the sleek, pocket-friendly design makes it easy to carry anywhere. The build quality feels premium, yet it avoids unnecessary bulk or overcomplicated features, showing that practical design and convenience were carefully considered. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or simply need backup power for daily devices, this charger keeps everything running smoothly. It's a smart, efficient, and dependable companion for anyone who wants consistent power without sacrificing portability or ease of use. These are the most insane gadgets of 2026. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss.